Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use for in loop in Dart programming language. For that, I'm creating a new file. I say 24 foreign dot void main like this. I have here the list. We can say array also. So like this, I define the list. This list, if I want to display, so there are two ways just to print like this in a simple way. And if I run this, I say dart run, and you see, otherwise I can display one by one. So for that, I say for var, we can say value in data like this, and I say print value. You see, same, I can display like this. You see, one by one, we can display value. If I say data dot, here we have so many functions available with the list, because these are lists, remember that. So you can use these function if required by you in a list. Remember, so many functions are there. So this is the way to use for in for list or array. This look like array, but it is not array, it is a list. Remember that. You can see it's showing a list, because I can say like this also, same thing, it is a list. I run it one by one, I can print the value. So this is the use of for in loop also in Dart. It's a very small video, but useful concept. Sometime we require this. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.